you're seeing big companies like Goldman and Sachs and Chase Bank are going into real estate, and once they take these homes, they may never be able to go back on the market because now this is like their new hedge funds.
Exactly.
And they're realizing the benefits of it because they see the tax write-offs, they see the depreciation, and they see the long-term gains. The only way this real estate changes and where it's no longer beneficial is if the government changes the tax code on it.
Yeah.
They change the tax code and they say, hey, you don't get all these benefits anymore. That would be the biggest thing to make a play in real estate.
Yes.
Otherwise, it makes so much sense because of the appreciation you get.
Yeah.
And when you have a tenant in your property, they're paying it down over the long term, and it's highly leveraged, meaning you can get into a property with only 3.5% down if you purchase it owner occupied, or an investment maybe 10 to 15% down, and you're using the rest of the bank's money to make money each month. I think that's the best investment you can make other than investing in yourself. Real estate, hands down, is the best investment.
Absolutely. Yeah, no, I completely agree. And yeah, I think I just shared that article on my social media that was it Chase, Goldman Sachs, or whoever it was, that invested $1 billion, I think, to buy, and they were very specific. It was single family homes, new construction single family, which I thought was interesting for long-term rentals. They were going to do 6 or 12 longer month rentals, and I'm like, interesting. And I think over the last 10 years, I've heard like Grant Cardone and a couple other guys talk about there's been so much more like venture capital and like hedge funds coming into the real estate space. And it sounds like they kind of caught on, like, hey, yes, we can also do, private equity. We can do, what we've been doing. But hey, this real estate thing, there's some, there's some benefits there. And I don't know, like, as far as the tax code, I feel like the government, again, not to get into politics, but is in a challenging environment because if they change the code, like the government knows they need investors like us to buy houses exactly, to rent to people. Correct. Because I wish every person could buy a house and buy several because of all the benefits that you and I are receiving.